we've just acquired this lovely, it's the BMW 520 diesel, finished in lovely black. Car looks in superb condition, doesn't reflect the age or mileage. It's got the rear park distance control. So the boot area is in lovely condition. We've got the carpet mats. Bodywork's in fantastic condition. Electrically operated tailgate. Full black leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. Automatic headlights. It's done 108,977 miles. Satellite navigation. 3-stage heated seats. Climate control that is cold because I've tried it. Okay. Just driven it down and it's been really nice and cold. Satellite navigation, as I've said. Telephone, Bluetooth. Full menu. It's just been serviced, just been MOT'd. 6-speed gearbox, different ways of driving it. Comfort, Eco Pro, Sport. For yours and a USB. Cruise control. It's very high specification. At DJH we have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.